Is Gemini a US company? Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, is Gemini a US company? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to define what I mean by a US company. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to define a US company as any company that is incorporated in the United States or that has its headquarters in the United States. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get started. Gemini is a company that was founded in 2014 by two former Google employees. The company is headquartered in Mountain View, California. Gemini is a leading provider of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML solutions. The company's products are used by a wide variety of businesses and organizations, including government agencies, healthcare providers, and financial institutions. Gemini is a privately held company. The company has raised over $1 billion in funding from investors, including Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. So, is Gemini a US company? Yes, Gemini is a US company. The company is incorporated in the United States and has its headquarters in the United States. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Gemini, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more videos on AI and ML. You can add visuals to your video, such as images or videos of Gemini's products and services. You can also add music to your video to make it more engaging. You can use your own voice or a voiceover to narrate your video. You can also add a call to action at the end of your video, such as asking viewers to subscribe to your channel or visit your website. I hope this helps.